We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Today my topic is disk scheduling algorithm. But before disk scheduling algorithm, I will explain the what is magnetic disk. Then after I will explain the disk all the disk scheduling algorithm. Okay. So based on this diagram, then in the middle it's a spindle road. Okay, and each and every and this portion is also called plater, and uh, on the plater there are the plater is divided into number of partitions. So each and every partition it is called track, and track is divided into different part. So each and every part is also called sector. Okay, and then after, based on this diagram, it is a arm assembly, and with the read and write header, it is connected with arm assembly. Okay, and read and write header is a read the surface of the plater, both the surface of the plater, upper side as well as lower side. Okay, so this is a the architecture of the magnetic disk. Okay, so and this spindle rod is rotate in the circular direction. Okay, so my first point, as per the diagram, my first point is the entire disk is divided into different platers. Okay, then second one is each plater consists of circles. It is called track. Each and every track is divided into number of partition. So each and every partition it is called sector. Then read and write head is used to read from and write to the disk. There are the main both operation to be performed by the read and write header. So it is the first one is read operation and second one is a write operation. Read from the disk and write into the disk. These both direction it's performed by the read and write header. Okay. So next one is each platter has two surfaces, top and bottom. Each surface has its own read and write head. Okay. So this whole are the architecture of the disk, magnetic disk. Then my next point is a factor affecting the disk performance. Then first factor is there are different factors affecting the disk performance, and the first factor is a seek time. Then my question is, what is the seek time? The time is taken by the read and write head to reach the particular track. It is called seek time. Okay, so is read and write head moves on the surface to in the zigzag pattern. Okay, so the time is taken by the read and write head to reach the particular track. It is called seek time, and if the value of the seek time is higher, then the value of the IO operation is lower. It is totally vice versa. Okay, so if the seek time value is down, then the IO operation it goes to the in the fast track. Okay, so it is a totally inverse relation. Okay, so next next point is a latency. The question is, what is the latency? It is another factor for affecting the disk performance. Okay, disk performance. So first one is seek time, I have already taught, and second one is a latency. Then question is, what is the latency? The time taken by the read and write head to reach the particular sector, it is called latency. Okay, these both factors are affecting on the disk performance. Okay, so it is a basic architecture of the magnetic disk, and which type of factor is affecting on the disk performance I have already taught. So my next concept is a disk scheduling algorithm. I will also explain the different disk scheduling algorithm further. Okay.